Oppo Find X2 Pro. Oppo Find X2 with 120Hz displays launched in India. Oppo Find X2 price in India is set at 64,990 rupees for the lone 12GB plus 256GB variant. The Oppo Find X2 Pro price is yet to be revealed. Samsung Galaxy Note 20 may come with 60Hz Full HD Plus display. Fresh information reveals that the lineup may include 3 devices such as Note 20, Note 20 Plus, and Note 20 Ultra. Samsung Galaxy A21s with 5000 mAh battery, quad cameras launched in India. Samsung Galaxy A21s is priced at 16,499 rupees for the 4GB plus 64GB variant and at 18,499 rupees for the 6GB plus 64GB model in India. The phone will be available in black, blue, and white color options. It will go on sale via Flipkart, Samsung.com, other major online retailers, and offline retailers. Apple's iPhone 12 Pro and 12 Pro Max will have 120Hz displays, thinner bodies. According to a list shared by DSCC Ross Young, the Apple iPhone 12 Pro and 12 Pro Max will indeed carry 120Hz refresh screens. Twitter launches voice tweets on iOS to test a more human touch. Twitter has debuted its latest test for a limited group of iOS users, voice tweets. Tweets using the new feature include a user's profile picture with a play button to listen to up to 140 seconds of audio per tweet. Poco M2 Pro receives BIS certification in India. The upcoming Poco M2 Pro has M2003J6C model number. It was first found on Xiaomi India's RF exposure page. Then, a day later, its codename Gram was confirmed by its firmware, and the same was also discovered in the kernel source code of Redmi Note 9 Pro. Alleged Redmi K40 with 33 watts fast charging support appears via 3C certification. The smartphone in question carries model number M2006J10C and is listed to support 33 watts fast charging technology. It will also come with an MDY11X charger, which is the same charger that ships with the Redmi K30 Pro. While the listing doesn't mention the phone's name, it is speculated to be the Redmi K40. Realme X3 and X3 SuperZoom with 120Hz display, Snapdragon 855 Plus launching in India on June 25. Realme is now looking forward to launching the Realme X3 and the Realme X3 SuperZoom in India. The highlight of this device is the fact that it comes with the Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 Plus SoC, a 120Hz LCD display, and a periscope shooter. Realme C2 Android 10 based Realme UI update to begin in September. Older smartphones not eligible. The Realme C2 was launched in India in May last year with Android 9 Pie based Color OS. It will receive Realme UI based on Android 10 later this year. Is Realme a Chinese company? Realme India CEO calls the company an Indian startup. In a recent episode of YouTube series called Ask Madhav, Realme India CEO Madhav Sheth has explicitly stated that the company is, in fact, an Indian startup, and not a Chinese company. Samsung launches new smart TV range starting at 14,490 rupees, Frame TV 2020 starting at 74,990 rupees. The sale of new TVs will start at midnight on the 19th of June on its online store Samsung Shop, as well as on e-commerce portals Flipkart and Amazon. OnePlus, Samsung to start manufacturing most of their smart TVs in India. As per a report by the Economic Times, by manufacturing TV sets in India, the two companies are looking to take advantage of the zero import duties on open cell TV panels, and in the process also ensure there are no disruptions to the supply chain in case of unavoidable issues. Google Meet to be added to Gmail app for Android and iOS devices. Users, in the coming weeks, would notice a new Meet tab within the Gmail app where they would find a schedule of upcoming meetings and would also be able to start or join calls. Motorola One Fusion Plus launched in India at 16,999 rupees, 64MP quad camera setup, Snapdragon 730G in tow. Motorola has launched its latest One Fusion Plus with Snapdragon 730G along with 6GB RAM and a pop-up selfie camera entails with the device. The sale of the device will start from June 24th on Flipkart. OnePlus Nord 5G, aka OnePlus Z, may have 4 cameras on its back. OnePlus Nord 5G, allegedly the retail name of the OnePlus Z, previously known 8 Lite, will have a quad camera, teases Leakster Max J. ASUS ROG Phone 3 spec sleek with 6000 mAh battery, 16GB RAM, drops headphone jack. As per usual, it's going all out. The overclocked, 3.09 GHz, Snapdragon 865 chipset will be paired with an Adreno 650 GPU, up to 16 GB of RAM, up to 512 GB of storage, a 6.59-inch FHD Plus AMOLED display. TCL 2020 QLED 4K and 8K Android TV ranges launched in India, priced starting 45,990 rupees. The company has launched the C715, C815, and X915 television ranges in India, with sizes ranging from 50 inches to 85 inches across the product ranges. The flagship product in the range is the TCL 85X915, which is a 75-inch 8K QLED TV priced at 299,990 rupees in India. Hike launches new HikeLand feature, allows friends to watch movies together. HikeLand, as of now, allows 2 friends to sit in a room and watch TV together. Currently, the content is being streamed via YouTube. The streaming will take place simultaneously on both the users' smartphones. Moreover, the 2 friends can chat while watching a video and even go on a voice call to share the experience together. CEO shares more details about the upcoming budget OnePlus TVs. The company's CEO shared a few details about these TVs on the forums. Picture quality and a powerful operating system will be at the heart of the new OnePlus TVs. Both the models will be capable of displaying a wide gamut for richer colors. Both the models will be able to achieve a 93% coverage of the DCI-P3 color space, which is on the higher side. DCI-P3's color range is 26% larger than that of Rec. 709. This also confirms that the TVs will be HDR capable. Google Chrome's memory use could drop significantly after adopting a new Windows 10 feature. According to a recent report from Windows Latest, the Windows 10 May 2020 update, 20H1, has started rolling out to users worldwide, and it introduces Windows segment heap memory improvements that will reduce the overall memory usage of Win32 apps like Google Chrome. Please do like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel Tech Daddy.